Today's video is brought to you by Oxydo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxydo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxydo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxydo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video.
That's from Mini Split Matt, minisplitmatt.com.
Chugs and Deegan! Chug! Alright, you son, throw it to the crowd.
I want to enjoy my beer.
But I drink a lot of Monster.
So Pastrana was calling it. Did you hear Pastrana talking now? He wasn't live on his TV, huh?
No, I heard him. Yeah,
We could hear him in here.
Really?
Yeah.
Was he like? Is he gonna pass him? Right.
He kept saying how he never wins against you in a bet. And he's lost more money to you than anybody else. And
Because he always bets me on 4 wheels. He always beat me on 2 wheels, but 4 wheels is a different story.
Okay.